20歲，從細到高雄態。好是藝術嘅愛，會沙定兩種立場，老大家向下發講藝術嘅美。每擺都會有冇向專長嘅外國藝術家，批定愛定向下講，向下聊聊下個想法。北京母族打開耳光，聊到藝術家又會帶本愛到乜嘅上到嘅事情咯。隨身帶定一台相機嘅學生啊，佢正好用乾鏡窗，用細細嘅畫面來看太太嘅世界。見本人嘅學長之理，也會本佢快門按不停。
兩擺啊，在我旁邊嘅兩位細阿妹，佢係來自叫俄羅斯嘅血統，不過佢哋還有德國嘅 citizenship。So Oksana，
Hi, I'm Oksana Jet. I'm professional photographer.
因為我有看到佢嘅相片，就是 you are like very interested in the fogs, right?
Yes, yes.
So this
That's my
place-
favorite state of the nature.
Is it?
It's lovely to be here because I see a lot of fog here. Just great.
And this county, it has a lot of Hakka people.
Yes, I'm
go.
very interested in the culture. Yeah, and that's what I do as well.
So why don't we go for our first photographer?
Yes.
Shall we?
Yes,
Let's go.
please. Great. My name is Oksana Jet, and I'm already more than 10 years doing photography. I very much like to do landscapes, and I'm also interested very much in the culture. I like very much to know how people feel, how they are, in the spirit of people. I make pictures, then if I have an idea, then I combine people who I shot in the studio, and then I combine the photos.
從本書嘅南定嘅西裝條，也就是因為書嘅同沙川東份用嘅羅傑路，一下又係乜嘅用嘅咯。
You smell it, Teogan?
Ah, great! Oh my God, I like this
What is
fish.
that?
It is a koi?
对，红龙，
Do you smell all these?
它可以开。
这个是
小心，它可以开。
Okay.
对。
Dude, this
你摸
smell
摸
is
看
from
这
this-
是真的台湾木。
It's camphor.
对呀。
Have you ever smelled of this one?
I like the smell. I use perfume like
really?
this, a little bit, yes.
它有香水呀，係檜木做嘅。
有，它有做，它可以做成精油。
Wow.
哎，
Yeah, yeah,
So why don't we
yeah.
take a look inside?
Yeah.
那你要给聚宝盆，对不对？
时来运转。
时来运转。So we have a saying that if the stone is like turning, the like lux will come.
Yeah.
So you're like turning your luck inside here.
That's funny. I like his face.
What do you mean?
Yeah, he's so he's so happy.
Like he's happy when he's fishing. You're happy when you're.
Yes,
Okay.
that's true.
Sana, look at this.
Oh yeah.
How, oh. This is heavy. 这个很。
有点重量，哎，一点点而已。
So you know what we do this for?
Wait, I can paint.
Oh. Don't worry, we'll be making one glass pen
Okay.
later. So I'll see you later. Happy pen.
Yeah. Great. Look at this. It's getting thinner and thinner. very concentrated.
你现在可以讲话吗？你会不会？
可以，
你会不会？
可以讲话，没问题。
你在做，你是把那个玻璃，哎呦，把玻璃切成一条一条的笔是吗？
要做笔，要做玻璃笔。
嗯，
哎，
所以这个是它就是玻璃原来的样子哦。
玻璃管，这个就是玻璃管。
嗯。Oh, so this is the glass. It's
这玻璃管。哎
Please, just kidding. 所以这是玻璃原来的样子，然后你再一直加温。
对，哎，加温，然后再做
把它拉长
造型这样。
哦。
Could you ask him, please, what can you write with that, or what do you do with it?
这个要怎么写字啊？
写字哦，来，你可以在这边写哈。
好 ，you try to write something.
Okay.
嗯。
可以连续字。
What did you write? What did you write? I don't tell you. I saw it. I love Taiwan. 他写说 I love Taiwan. 所以哇，这个很像以前那种 It's like the feather we used to use， 很像以前我们用羽毛的时候，它那个墨是存在这个里面。
对，吸在这个沟槽里面。
你怎么吸进去的？
用粘的，你看这个拿起来，用粘的它就跑进去了。哦，它是附着在这个沟槽上面，
很像那个打针那种。
哎，对。
It's like when you do injections, you know, like when you pull it and if you dip it like that, the ink will go inside. I want to make that. I want to make a pen. Do you want to make a pen?
Yeah.
老板，那我们就来做我们的玻璃笔。
Do you think it's possible? For me, the most interesting thing is how it works. How you can make drawings with a glass pen. So I was very curious.
直的可以写出。
Oh, I like it. Oh, wow. When he showed how it works, so I was very surprised because I never saw it before. I'm a big fan of graphic with touche. I saw many times how it works. People can move this special pen on very different art, different kind. With the glass pen, you also have the possibility to move it, but it's something very different. It's a hard piece, so you just move it on a different way.
條架個眼嘅數中唔得，揮來揮去，估數眼唔掂啦，還會用嘅。好，那老闆你教我們怎麼做？
啊，那你就看我的手勢哈。
好。
我們拿東西，右手一定上
，OK。
左手向下。你在轉的時候也是這樣，這邊有一點溫度，你再拿後面一點轉。那隻手
OK
往下。
This left hand downwards。
左手往下。
OK. Like this.
Right hand upwards。
你拿着哦，或者摸。
Don't。
这个不要摸，这个会烫。
Don't touch that part, it's hot。
哎。
OK.
好。
哦，都这样哈。
好。
I see first how do you do that, and then I just
一直转，一直
repeat.
你也一起做好了，
一直转，一直
So like this。
你拿跟着一直转，一直转。
好。
转啊，你都一直转啊，反正这个玻璃你一定要一直转。
所以 keep on turning, spinning it。
玻璃软了以后，它会往下垂。嗯。那往下垂你不转，它会颠下去，它会往下垂。嗯。所以转就是不要给它垂下去。
Oksana, so now I'll start. I keep on spinning. Okay. Okay, are you gonna do yours?
Yeah.
所以现在只要一直转，
小心，没关系，没关系。你往上面，它比较不会爆炸。
I wouldn't be a good one, a good pen maker. But I like the work with fire. Somehow you have a piece of glass and then you make it very hot and then you can form it. Then you can make different shapes, but you have to be very careful and you have to know at which time point you break it or you put it together.
因为挑架干过挨的非常的危险，鼓手他把笔头做好，然后我们把它粘回去就好。
你也是拿这样哈，你先拿这样哈。
好。
啊，你要拿下一部位裂开，你就先上面。哦，
慢慢让它变热，
一点，它不会爆炸。
它太冷就会爆炸。
对，你很聪明，就是这样。你先这样，你现在一点点，你现在一点点。
好。
一点，慢慢靠近火。再多一点，再多一点，好，再多一点，好，再进去。哦，有温度了哈。
有喽，接喽。
接着。
这样可以吗？
歪掉。啊！
So I tried, but I wasn't good. I had a good assistant, so she helped me. You have to move it all the time. Then you can break it and put different pieces together again if you make them hot.
因为现在差不多要固定，它不会再往下。
That's what I like about the digital photography, that you can change a lot and then you can make it to something you really want to have. That's like glass, yeah.
现在比较不乖了。
好，谢谢。谢谢。
I liked very much this building.
조간용, 조간용. Hi, 你好。
你好，歡迎來到女灣戲站。
This is like the very old, like the old theater.
Yeah.
You can see around and look at this. This is.
I like it very much.
大概在清末的时期，那时候还是日本统治的时候，这边内湾大概有12户的平地人是我们的客家人。那因为日本人看到这边的矿业和木材业这么丰沃，所以那时候他们有用一点小暴力去驱赶一些原住民，把他们驱赶走。那我们的客家人就开始在这边经营，然后慢慢的就变成一个客家的部落。
The poster is like 50s in the U.S., right?
Yeah, oh, I make a picture. That's so lovely.
当初因为矿业很兴盛，所以很多人大概有1500多人进驻到这边来。地主看到矿产工人的辛劳，那晚上冇乜嘅娛樂好做，所以地主突發奇想，想講去這啲戲院內，佢到啥做公演啊，暗布啦，要喊嘅世界主全部聚集到嚟呢，大家共同娛樂。
I like very much 50s and 60s. That's my favorite time of photography, also movies. For example, in the 90s, when we think about the pictures of Calvin Klein, everybody was a little bit depressed, also depressed look. But on the 50s, it was very in to be happy, to show, this product makes me happy. The aesthetic of pictures and also the fashion, when I see people from different countries with different faces, they had very similar, this very happy look. The spirit of this time is also here on this place.
Oh,
Here, look. Hello, White House.
Hello? From the other side? How do you work? I've never seen this one before. How do you work?
Really? Okay, I'm from another generation. One,
你係漂埋早期嘅天髮，佢係用兩樣轉嘅，你說從兩係天髮，
哦，所以要捂就要轉到底
哦，兩樣轉，係。
and it makes.
I've never seen this one before.
I had it when I was a child. When I saw the pictures my father made, and he worked in the 60s, 50s as a photographer, I have a special feeling. I didn't see these times, but I saw them on the pictures. And for me, it's a kind of being again in my childhood. Oh my God, that was a huge machine. Yeah, it's like a dinosaur of this technique time.
動手以前嘅放映機，嘿。
Look at this size. 兩下我哋嘅手機按用，唔夠兩個，你看還不到幾分之幾耶。
因為以前主要係用嘅木拍嘅黑白的老電影，對。
我哋兩下看到也是5、60嘅嘛。
係，兩埋係5、60。
This is like 1950s, 60s cinema. But 你看兩個舞台好像 密码应该有一点深度。
走都比一般的戏院好浸了，因为要为了有时候演客家大戏的时候，方便他们作业用的。
You see the stage, it's like it's got this depth. You see, it's not like shallow. Because they're used to play like Hakka theater plays.
他刚演的舞台剧
也会在庙前对，
也会在庙里。
Like this is like a traditional play. We usually play it in front of a temple. So they showed it here, performed it here.
It's a kind of dance.
It's a kind of dance.
People speak as well.
People speak as well, and they sing sometimes, and they act and all that.
Oh, I would love to see it.
No, actually, we will experience it.
Oh, really?
We will,
yeah.
But not now.
Okay.
Yes.
I could take a look inside, because usually if you are in a museum, it's not allowed to take a look inside. But this time I could touch everything, so great. This woman, she told us how this building was built, and she said that it's only built with wood, no nails. So it's very, very interesting. I never saw it before. I like the whole atmosphere inside. I like that the light was a little bit low, and the food was delicious.
哎，你好，这是我们的客家的梅干扣肉。
So now you
这
want
是我们客家菜哦。
Yes.
这是我们客家土鸡。
白斩鸡，对不对？
沾鸡酱的。
Okay, so this one you have to go with this kumquat sauce.
这个是我们的在地特色野姜花二层肉。
We can try this one, and this is cabbage, and this is like 桂鸟。
桂鸟，就是野蕨。
I like very much this green dish with the egg inside. Yeah, it looked very, very interesting.
So we stir it first. No, we stir it first. Like poke. All right.
Okay.
This is very Japanese. Light, right? Not as
No.
Hakka people, we usually eat really salty food
Okay.
because they need to store food for longer time because they live in like hard conditions. So they wanted to store food more like, so these are like the ingredients they would put inside are like mostly marinated.
Yeah. Every of these dishes was something very special because the combination of the meat or of the chicken with the sauce, with the plants was very special. I knew already a little bit Asian cuisine, but this was something new and very interesting colors, nice combinations with green and yellow. You know, I also like the aesthetic of the food. It's not that you only eat something. You see it and you enjoy it with your eyes. At this time point, I enjoyed it very much with my eyes first. And then you taste it, so you have the whole combination of nice colors and smell something.
I just want to sit back and then watch a movie and then eat, you know.
Yeah, let's do it. You have a great atmosphere, you have old movies, you have great food and nice people around you. So very happy.
有人同我講，鴉片有一位老乞丐按照30種人嘅樣樣態思維固定出現，在佢空起來之前，夾夾來簽記哦。
Yeah, so now this is why I brought you here because the teacher we're going to meet later, he used to work for this bureau.
Okay.
In the he was in the forest for like 40 years, but now he becomes a protector of the forest and he takes photographies just like you do.
Oh, that's very exciting.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, this is him.
Hi.
你可以凶喺哪一個啊？
哦，嗰度看兩種相哦。
好。
兩種相咪。
Okay.
係，是多很多毛巾。
Oh, so this is.
Oh, wow.
哦，乾夫嘅當杯，哦，十個相，哦，兩種書呢，很多鐵參，
铁仓。
这个连续喺民国52年台湾将开始用练机，该拢是咪到新竹林管处上班，林管处上班，专门到林管处翕记录那个林业开发嘅
喺開發嘅時間，
係開發嘅時間，專門係醫生都佢做記錄。
Could you ask him, please? Yes. Did he know this man and how he worked with the composition? Was it by accident or he prepared?
冇，因為佢讀書，佢記書嘅會考慮事情嘅安全。人站在這邊，這棵樹已經有傾斜度，
它會往
有傾斜度
那邊。
對，傾斜度，它現在是在開，叫做開那個巨口，就是倒數口，那個是吐槽，就是兩個林木。全部倒下來，
把它集中嘅地方，
集中到一隻位所，然後土床邊嘅卡車落嚟栽，從那個高空索道、高空索道，上到流落，這個是原木。
You see there is also 那個木樹條，
從那個英國看，那是台茶、琴片茶、台茶，台茶栽年咯，栽到兩大不來咧，其實吊上去。
So this is like first step when they ship it and then they put it up. So they would go through the like a river or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. 大概就會 see all the woods.
Yeah. Oh, a lot of wood.
上面是林道，上面。
給你大概時間是不是整片山林都含黑樹木啊？
對。
因為從了哈你行過去就可能就是店啊 ，like nowadays you walk and then there are stores, shops, or whatever. But then, like, 大概是還有看到嘅一定都係很多嘅樹木嘛。
對。
Yeah.
Tiny.
And does he still go to the forest and make photos with the same camera sometimes, or not anymore?
其中一啲度就是你俩下去三方翕相嘅時間，還係用你俩嘅時間買嘅 camera 嗎？
夏天我去記錄森林嘅生態嘅東西。我用俩個數位相機啊，以前數位相機我用啊，今年天5年嚟啦。
天5年嚟哦。
夏天我今年嘅春晚，我以翕風景、景觀，我就會用黑數
底片機嗎？是嗎？
對，6x6的。
6x6的。
對，6x6的。
6x6是幾歲？Oh, okay. So he said when he goes into the forest to take those pictures, he would use a digital one, and he's been using it for 5 years. I bet he learned something from himself. And then if he's going out for like his own pleasure, like landscape or something, he uses his old camera.
Okay.
平常嘅你以前那個時代應該冇聽到嘅相機嘛，錯嗎？那你相機是怎麼來的？
我個阿姊佢嫁出去，佢是跟我親家嗰位去開相館，嗰兩時咧開相館嘅相館嘅人咧，全部都有準備，為出租本人合用嘅相機，去淘汰時就係能夠用，我只是幾點啊去攝相，是嗎？
你冇呀，那就
你倆還是可以用，你哪一用？
平常跟你大概時間工作嘅時候，還有那個你嘅同事都是客家人嗎？
全部都係客家人，3面中些哈，3面清一色，即可以說95%以上都係客家人啦，因為新竹新竹人士哈都係客家莊。
I came to this place without very huge expectations. I'm on a new place and I would be happy to meet people, to see some places. I hope I will make more interesting pictures in the next days, and also I'm very, very looking forward to be in the mountains.
還蠻少到山林管理所上班嘅兩時，教嘅相機就較平常嘅嘛，都學你去風景。倆風景當正倆是上流當正看到老人家開單嘅，很辛苦個個很辛苦也會去翕到嘅啦。58年嗰年開始，林管處也大部出要求，講所有現場作業、伐木生產、然後初林工作、採種、播種。全部我用相機來做記錄， 甲公家跟拿出来个相机，不一天用来得啦。刚才我用来一家啊，我自家迄档案相机啊，镜头可以搞完啦，摄出来个吼品质又当真些，所以林冠处那边全部只有迄个所有的生产线，就是伐木生产，还有育林工作，一切记录都由我一个人来拍。
先生，你个书已经上了多少年了？这是几年的书啊？
掠到安尼，今日看到按墙按国开个书的哈，明白40年中啊。
Really? So they are so big already.
So 他们也有60年
对
的历史。
哦，两个书种，係日本嘅書種，按到柳杉日本書種。
那以前嘅書老掠下嘅書有冇嘅差別？
我是講掠冇掠嘅人工林之前就是原始林，就是原生林，就是自然林。它天然生长的林木都是阔叶树，每个40年開發兩個人氣林，開發嘅兩個木材，利用主要利用木材，都創嘛，利用開發了後將肥中用嘅柳杉落去。
Could you please ask him? Was he able to make photos of the trees, of the same trees when they were small?
When they were small?
Yeah.
You mean like when they were like this small?
Yeah. Because he probably saw when they were planted.
以前們啊，掠到嘅書係係4年嚟嘅時間，你有留記到記錄冇啊？
嗰陣時42年我係問有6年冇錯，我46年將來嘅，批集會所，從我竹動方面嘅，從秧苗在苗圃，我就把它記錄。從播種就記錄。
Because at that time he wasn't working for the bureau yet, so but at that other place he did when they were like tiny babies. He had photographs.
Yeah. So he still has these photographs.
No, like
from that
place. Bureau. Yeah.
所以過去新竹林管處，新竹林管處這個森林嘅記錄全部我都該記。拍照
都要記錄。好，我哋定咗繼續看咯。
中書會嘅，韓國伐木嘅。入邊你哋看到嚇，柳杉林。
呢邊就係柳嘅。
整入樹，整入嘅。
So this place you look back and this is like the willows, those like really thinner ones. 那呢邊就係呢邊看起來就係闊葉嘅係嘛？
整入。今年你看到，我睇那個就是闊葉樹，闊葉。
So you see, he said like the natural wildlife one is the thicker one, the thicker leaves. So you see, these are the original ones, and that's the human planted one. Okay.
You see a lot of different greens here. It's not only one green color, and with this fog, you could see so many shades of gray and of green.
有雾气，像这样女人那有朦胧之美，视野会有无尽的感觉。然后大光线、强阳光底下，森林底层那个环境的氛围就唔同樣咧。
I'm very interested in psychology. For me, the folk has a very special meaning. With the folk, you can create a lot of different situations of your soul. You can be sad about something. You can have special thoughts about something. And everything you can put in the folk. I have very special connections in my brain between folk and states of your mood, of your soul. I don't know why, but I feel so comfortable when I see folk. I feel so free. Yeah, that's my place.
又似位木馬哦。
你嘅係真件要啲嘅用嘅係嘛？
都台灣連入伐木嘅時節啦，開發最年輕嘅，我來樹嘅木馬就下條啦。
你看兩個就係它地龜嘅兩條，係喎。So this is wow, pretty heavy.
當時咧，都連來木馬嘅師傅全部客家人啦。
全部都係客家人。
全部客家人啦但是呢，來木馬連入深山，佢嘅工錢最貴，因為佢最危險，稍微不小心就會把它壓死。客家人有一句諺語，是講長山嘅老虎
崇山嘅老虎。
因為崇山將有老虎啊。
唐山的老虎。
幾個聲音。台灣嘅猛馬冇聲音。客家族群對新中間來講咧，幾個元素，幾乎都佔90%。那客家族群，那大部分有耕種，其實有的就是利用農忙的空閒時間，就到山上來做伐木，來做食材，來種樹的灌溉水準的來源是播所的蔬菜。那麼這些工作呢，婦女就可以擔當。
You could see how difficult was it to work on a place like this. On one hand, you work in a very romantic and beautiful place, but on another hand, you had to be very strong. You had to have a lot of power to be able to do that. I can imagine that people also had fun doing this, because now I met some Hakka people, and everybody of them has a very strong spirit. And I think also people who worked here, they were strong inside and outside. And it was very interesting to learn how it worked.
He said like this is not good because the woods should be like at least this long, like until here or more, because there will be like one of the raining tool here. So like if you couldn't make it, stop it. He's tried to stop it, right? Like this. Sometimes
I understood. I thought one is making breaks.
Yeah, you have to use yourself as the brake.
Wow.
还有拖木马，是夫妻档。
夫妻档。
夫妻，先生老太太。还有父子档。还有兄弟档。
都是一家人。
对，木马一天有2个人，当时客家人穷但是刻苦耐劳，上去山上做些。规家人都上去。先生头前攞木馬。
The husband。
太太都 help 協助他剎車。先到退休嘅同事就講：強勇哥，你太班死人啊，到咗森林啊，轉上轉下，佢講你還唔會聽嘛？你還得個做基本啊？那個係啊，尤其這樣嘅其他小很像啊。自我下一個注腳，兩句話：此音前聲山中人，今些老林結人情。
看欣賞也種種有聲嘅陌生駐地，對佢來講，老自家奉獻本一片山林，係幾幸福嘅事情。
So now look at this rice field here, and because we're gonna make buns later, and for like our traditional buns, it's mostly like flour, the skin, but this time it's made out of sticky rice. So it's gonna be like chewy, you know?
Oh yeah!
Like gums, like eating gum buns.
That sounds very, very interesting.
Yeah.
Wait, I make one for you.
Yes.
啲冇圈用嘅節慶，客家人用米做出冇圈用嘅飯，這學問大到一頭霧水。他唔是啦，阿婆你講嗌。
This apple, we call like grandmas, we call them apple, like apple.
Really?
Yeah.
But why?
Oh, this is Hakka. Apple. Yeah, hi.
有啲吹爆啊嚇！
有啲係吹爆嘅。有啲麥嘅 What flavor is this? Do you think?
米是糯米跟蓬莱米一起配的。
唔過有啲粉紅色嘅
是紅曲粉，這個以前都是用白色的，後來用那個化學的色素。那後來我們研究是說化學色素不好，就是用這個紅曲粉，天然的。
Like 一本 like this?
Yeah, 番薯。
This one is sweet potato. This color, this one.
Really?
Oh, 這就是南瓜。
What do you think that one is?
A mango?
Mango. Oh, maybe we can try next time. It's pumpkin.
Okay.
Apple maybe 那個 next time
南瓜是。
下一拜你就做的是那個芒果，你剛看起來有點。
芒果，
有可能
是吧？一樣的顏色也可以啊。
好，用來做喏。
先搓鹽哈。
好。
I like it.
做係雜黃樣啊嚇。
黃嘅樣誒。
In Russia we have something like this, but they look more like dumplings.
我從細阿婆時節時就做，阿從就看到木珠就看時就下地啦，按家下時就則見看到嘅經驗嘛。以後喺台咧，我是點擺會出去。
In Russia, we didn't use rice that much for things like that, but flour. My mother used to make things like that. But now the industry is already so high developed that also my parents don't do any more things like that because it's a lot of work. Sometimes when I visit them, I hope that my mother did something like that.
This one, it has two names. One is like the veggie bun. But another one is like the pig cage bun because this shape, you see, this one.
Okay, yes, this color also. Yeah.
It looks like you're very hungry, right?
No, but it looks very, very.
This one looks like how people used to put pigs in a cage, so they call it a pig cage bun.
Okay, I see.
捏起来，缝合起来，翻过来，翻过来。还有做波浪形。哇
！Invention. This is a new invention. 阿婆嚟看下嘅 ，that one. 阿婆唔咬人哋介紹一下。
Wow.
Look at this.
That looks like a real art.
阿婆，佢做的是什麼？是。So this one is sweet.
Okay.
And the rest are salty.
Just like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now let's see, okay.
Okay.
We eat together.
Okay.
Very sticky. This is really cute. Yeah. Take a bite. This is awesome.
这是豆沙。
Oh wow.
豆沙。
How does it? I want to try the sweet one. No, you're so sweet. You can taste it.
Mine is really good.
Yeah?
You prepared.
好吃啊！
真嘅仲好食咧。
嘿，你要自家煮嘅。
So this bun is for like it's almost nearly the time when we
果烟是做天板、菜包、月板、酱月板，元宵是做板仁，清明日是做月板百姓，冬节是做板仁啊
When I see these Chilempang, they have very different colors and everything comes from the nature. Nothing is colored with chemical. That's so interesting that everything is in your garden if you want, every color.
这是个像你点摆特别来就卖水果啊，你是做了板的创意的，像的是脸部啊，做了样子的，然后俺们是做脸部然后那个意思啊。那就先用刀背，好，刀也背了，嘿，画一下。
啊 ，OK，
再画。 再画。
I want to make a zucchini.
葡萄干。
Raisins.
当那个
它的地头。
I travel a lot and I saw in many countries things like tortellini in Italy, pelmeni in Russia. The same idea actually. But here, the first time in my life, I saw that they made art of it. It was like a pumpkin, it was like an apple. And it was not only for your stomach, but also for your eyes.
传承客家版的意思，佮加上阿婆自家的创意，也着五颜六色的猪笼版，是唔是当地人食啊？我贵人都不敢想到，好开心啊！
好，我哋做好诶，
做好了，
我哋要色素。好，
厉害，好厉害，厉害哦！一走啊，这样一走，啊走两口啊，对，这样子捏着吃就好，一个人捏一口啊。
They say this is a must.
哦，这么大块，我要小小块一点有，小小块。来走开。 照顺序嘛。
好吃，棒，很棒哦。那一定啊，其實都係你的天數嘅。
那个师傅教出來的嘛，
很好食哦。
用班啦，我哋下還係念念不忘竹籠班嘅美麗，搖籃水都啲台北流到拖延咧。學生啊，你會俾到台灣咬一條冇啊？
再過來，我哋愛去拜訪一位國家寶藏級嘅營養師，聽佢用老相片來講老故事哦。
That's rain. Thank you.
我哋攞來看你嘅老東西咧。
係那種吼，個竹洞吼，清楚啊，有只兩點啊，它這個吼是個大部分開水來食啦。
開水來食。
家下蠻有水來食啊。
大概乜嘅時節嘅啊？
你好，50年前哦。
50 years ago. Oh my god.
50年前哦，我本來是沒有工作，哪裡玩這裡玩，後來有工作，做賺了錢吼。一個頭就交俾媽媽，媽媽認為講我要變咗，要學好咧，所以咪就卡梅拉上來啊。嗰陣時話卡梅拉嗬冇人好啊，翕個相嗬，嗰陣時冇考究講花束幾多，要翕要相就當唔會啊，所以嗬嗰陣時拿相高嘅人嗬當少啊，佢家屋。有一台是厲害的事情，一台2台3台厲害的事情，特別裝作品的卡梅拉，所以講有卡梅拉人哦，我像當傻逼啊。
What about this one? I like this one very much.
Yeah, you see, everyone's taking photos.
呢個嗬，現在嘅特別主動嗬，當到嘅好做得好，好高咧卡梅拉嗬，做自己隻生小會，生的小豬啊，
小豬，
好幾個人，正在嚟組織一隻小嘅俱樂部啊。
俱樂部，
每個人嗬要不同啊，有時咪是現在馬島咧嗬。
Yeah, so it's in this area.
Where many men in white shirts made pictures of one woman. They looked like paparazzi. So, and it was a very interesting story behind it. And it's funny, everybody has a white shirt on.
Yes.
So it was probably...
你嘛該睇㗎都係做拍攝嘅衫褲啊。
熱天啊。
Okay, I thought it's a big day if you get the camera.
You have to wear white.
Yeah, that's very funny one. This one looks very, very special.
呢個特別裝頭要時間嘅白宮嚟拜啊。
白宮。For Hakka religion, there's this a god. We call it Bakgong. Okay. And this is when the Bakgong temple was like grand opening. So this was the first day, and see everyone was like worshiping.
Oh wow, that's interesting. But in which when was it?
Well, 大概係乜嘅時節嘅？
也差不多30年。
大概時節有彩色的底片冇？
蠻出咯。
If you have the black and white photo, the story is very important because with colors you can describe already a lot. But black and white, you have to be very precise about the story. Because that is very important. And also you have to work very well with the light.
嗰陣時我都冇感覺到乜嘅，只翕相夠啊！乜嘅看到有呀，翕相醫院要做條，自家起住然後翕，網上面有講乜嘅人介紹，也嚟個翕，連續也有，還有我自家木刻嘅蛇蚵啊，景泰翕啊，就翕翕翕 去落台，目仔落去啦。
还有2个人看2个人。
然後臨床嗰邊嗬，佢要避湯，相當雜埋樹嗬，全部大家都冇人進。按上次咪避湯水咪險，咪看睇個多點就去做啊。
He is 90 years old. He was a little bit like a child. He was very proud of his photos. You could see that all the pictures were about the people. The life changed a lot in only very short time. He saw from the lowest level of the life to the very high level. Now we have everything.
So you see this place, like full of groceries, right? Do you remember when we were at the theater?
Yes, sure.
We see that tiny shop.
Yeah.
This is the real one.
Oh, that's original.
Yes.
Yeah, camera.
If I feel like if my 眼鏡個眼學教嘅同學來入面都會起笑。
沒有。
昨天拿起來，因為兩個很珍貴。
然後。
That's an interesting one.
那個看拼圖。
看拼圖。
看位置，看路。
哦。
Take a look here.
Okay, I take a look at you. 哈，有語言嘅效果誒。阿爸，你嘅看起來有語言嘅感覺誒。
I liked also this Rollei camera, this big one where you can move the lens. It was also very interesting and open it and close it and then carry it like a bag.
那個就係偵探spy。
And this?
這個小那個五官齊全。
Is it? 那個從
It's a real one.
It's a real one.
Wow.
那個做得打開來嘛？
可以。
好，你打開。
Oh my god.
因為佢唔相信那個係真件嘅。
Wow. Wait, I have to make it.
各位觀眾 ，This is film。阿爸，真的 film 呢？
底片哈，那個120。120的底片哦，把它可以切暗房的切，切好把它剪了这个来用
size， 然后把它装回去，
装这来用，那个苏联的。
You must be. I see this one. Do you understand this?
Lomo.
Yeah. This is a Lomo film.
Oh wow.
Because he said this one is from the Soviet.
Yeah. Interesting.
And I see this one. 兩個。
係的，我會裝camera，會撮片，還有後來後冇暗房，因為人很攝像，因為很多照片，然後我買很多 camera。
He has a very interesting passion for the cameras. You could see it. He is very crazy about it. Every camera has very special style and special working process. And he opened it and showed us how to do it. Yeah, he is a crazy guy. This Hakka photographer.
阿爸，我哋帶佢去翕相好嗎？
可以啊。
我哋跳下來嘅時間，看到有一間白宮廟，但係我哋去那邊去，因為佢也冇接觸我哋嘅白宮，好嗎？好。
出門在外，最重要嘅就係平安。看那邊女超人因為都按比來比去，就本我哋嘅白宮咩來保佑佢，唔知去拜拜呀，佢咁公用嘅喏。
等下我哋向下拜白宮哦。
跟拜天公。
呢個很沒用到。
拜天公。
Okay, so this is the sky. We're worshiping to the sky.
Yeah.
Okay.
拜3次。
好 So we bow 3 times, and then you say your what you want to say to the God.
But inside, or should I?
No, don't
inside.
speak. Yes, inside. This is the Pak Gong, the God I told you, like Rahaka. Oh. Yeah? 哎，你還有。
This very little temple has a lot of charm. It's nothing special like a place where is a temple. It's a road, people are living their life, they go to the temple, it's all the time open, you can pray. I liked also that it was rainy, because then you have very intimate situation in the temple, with the fire, with the rain behind us. I felt very spiritual at this moment. I can keep this one?
Yeah. Oh, you want to keep this one, right?
Oh, thank you.
You want to keep this one?
Yes. These pictures had very interesting graphics. I thought, wow, that's so pity that I can't take one and put it on the wall. They are very, very well made and interesting, and you could see also history behind it. I collect some of them. I will put them on the wall. But I like this combination, like I said, fire and rain behind us, and it was already dark, yeah. You felt a little bit like mystery behind it.
你看，我哋知道千平凡嘅一種字，外國人看起來煞有難能嘅藝術。唔是小學生啊，嚟下我就帶你來做鏡子。
I never saw a bamboo forest, so it was my first time. I saw only bamboos very, very thin, very small, so never this kind of big bamboos trees.
So now we're in this forest again.
Yeah.
You remember that day we made the paper, offered it to the god?
Yes,
So
sure.
this is where the materials come from.
Ah, really?
Abba!
Hi.
Nga! She's chopping down the bamboo and then making paper, but like this way?
係，我哋做個站下來嚇，做個站下來，我就嚟入去吹吹嚇，按機油嘅差唔多抽4尺嚇，呢位到呢位差唔多4尺，我哋當吹吹，係，來推出到呢位來以後嚇，發現到呢嗰啲一當到中啦，又當到飛嚇，就係做紙嘅只好位數，所以當初時會想到講，哦，我哋來做紙嚇，就係。然後咧發揮，咧會自然去做紙。啊，呢咧家家戶戶嗬，穿勞工下咧得方嗬是要做紙，所以做出樣上出來以後，在他會說是不是按照資料喎？我們先拜一下土地公。
Oh, okay, yeah, but we should do the worshiping first. So you see, those are the offerings for the you remember that day, that time we saw the Bakong, the god.
Yeah.
So this is like offerings to that Bakong.
我哋做出來紙嗬，按照廚紙，啊廚紙是用途是係咧做啊啲嘅運紙嗬。但係日本時代寫嘅皇民化以後嗬，唔係因百姓嗰條嗬，所以咧用紙用量就變下減掉。工業自動化以後，並唔讓因嗰啲是咧事業停停嘅。差唔多在民國50年左右，我哋咧做紙嘅事業嗰啲是變成完全是停停去嘅。啊，民國82年我哋喺北宮下。北個樹頭北宮嗬，我哋要去起建苗，起苗嘅時候，睇即個來養到拄到個客委會嘅留言來養到講，哎呦，你哪知道我有做紙哦？我個些很懂打算哦，還是老個條透過做紙個條論述個條嗬，重新但北宮面前個木匠按照穿羅天，學個木路面睇即個養，上次嗬我哋就會養樹嗬來養我透過養人做。還又會問嗰條老人家，嚇阿叔公啊、伯公嗰條嗬，來問，我聽講嗰啲組織啊，係由乜人做啊？嚇，嗰條是重新打發嘅，就是不能嗰啲嚟講。這個下嫩啊，比較嫩。
怎麼看？顏色比較。
顏色哈，還有點粉粉的哈，粉粉的哈。
粉色就會嫩，因為這個綠就沒有這麼。因為它的纖維會比較硬。Yeah, and also the fibers will be thicker. So
嫩的話，它纖維就比較細一點哈。好，我們稻子會比較方便，這樣子哈。來 ，OK。
哇 ！Bravo！ 哦，
砍下來以後，
聲音啊！
幹嘛呀？
哇 I didn't expect him to 啪！哦。好，我會站哦。
好，來，你到這邊來。
好。
來，看着哈，現在要用這個刀子，平口的刀子哈，比較好砍哈。剛才講的這邊到這邊剛好4指。
4 inch like this 啊 ，got it。
好，來，你可能就。
我試試看。 安妞哈。
扶着。
Be careful.
安妞哦。 1, 2, 3。啊！有没有什么技巧啊
Oh my God! What is
因为
that?
你的力量比较小。
好。OK，one more time。
来，我来看。
好，你是。Oh my gosh!
Oh!
Oh!
Wow!
This is man power.
Wow! I want to try it.
Shit! 阿爸，等一下。
我带你去。
举雄恩师。
好，来。
Oh my god! Your turn. Okay. I hold the camera. Yeah. Ooh la la.
抓左手啊
No.
OK， 可以这样来。
Okay.
That's how we do that in Russia. That was almost good.
You crazy women.
OK， 来。
One more. That's how they do that in Japan.
Oh my!
Very good.
Good job.阿爸，你讲大概下一步会嘛该啊？
现在要把这个竹子破开哈。
嘿，
像这个这么小的竹子的话，我们就把它破2半。
你嘛该？
不要好困难。
So this one is you make it into like 2 portions, and if it's like bigger ones, 4 portions. 阿爸，
那给你玩。
哦，耶！你嘛该两个菜两味啊？哦，两个会用的啊？
这个那就是按嘟好吼，按枪的时间，那嘟目前来听人讲的嘟好差不多30-40斤。 重量刚刚好1捆，
多2笔个时间，
嘿，刚好1捆。然后从绳子那个竹篾从这边哈，向下这样绑，就很容易绑。这个竹皮啊，竹墙啊，你要走刷个，我们太过摸刷个啊。
因为以前摸啊，
而且没有麻绳啊，
用竹子来绑。
对，用竹子，这个而且竹子开将伊也做得向下做做具的材料啊，向下做。 因为太过摸个刷好哈，所以那里困个足好的些哈，是用竹篾，用蒲竹篾来困哈。
I thought all people who are close to the nature, they try to save everything from the nature, and they try to take everything they can. Yeah, for example, if they eat the animals, then they also use their fur. Also here, they don't waste one piece of the bamboo, and it looked also very aesthetic when they showed us how they band it together.
OK， 绕回来，再下去。
Oh, you will carry too?
Yes.
Oh my God!
It's women power.
I'm proud of you.
好了 ，OK，
这样哈，
一起。 跳起来！
哎，
好了，
乌啦啦
Oh yeah.
，OK，好，哎呦，
可以吗？
Very close, yes. 你可不可以回来？阿爸，你回来。OK，wait，我觉得我可以，好。
好，你可以，好 ，OK， 好，放掉了。好，站，好站直。
I want to make a photo. I want to make a picture.
Oh, Sarah, could you please?
I can't help you.
好。
Wait. Oh my God.
好
Don't.
OK， 还是我来好了啦。
客家人青出名嘅打拼精神，当爱生活啊，正经完全看现现。开幕起来就汗流满了。Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up！
站好咧，嗰啲是打山洞，落去再加咧腐湯咧去落去卤煮，按照卤煮哈，卤差唔多有3-4禮拜左右哈，是開始落去製作嘅。 浸的卤的足好吼，然后卤好咧吼，然后来洗好，洗好像啊啲睇是解为捱嘅吼，
你嘛解會洗那個粥啊？
啊，你給那個燒火，嗰度洗的。
Now they're washing the lime away。泡多久了？
這個哈，這個已經泡了泡了4、5個月了哈。
起來啊！
嘿，
還要放回去。
幾多拜啊？
對，大概3、4次。
那泡石灰嘅時間會泡多久啊？
大概泡1個月，3個禮拜左右。
So，條花藝人看到嘅做嘅就是還
現在是軟掉了，看到沒有？這邊軟掉了。
所以等一下切的時候，
對。
I want to try that one. 阿爸，really? Yes. Oh wow. Why not? Cool. 我練去水裡面哦。好。哎。啊。然後就攞佢，哎用洗。底部已經有嘅哦。
有。
Okay, it's inside. Oh. 什麼？
要竹子啊！要竹子啊！
嚟到捉佢咯，中嗎？
中嗎？嚟到，我想洗到啊！
然後再攞佢拿起來翻面。
對。
침침.
There's a lot of resistance here. Oh my god. Oh. 條蝦行下來嘅時間，嘅腰已經有點痛了。
You can't go.
Oh, this is a lot.
But we need the paperwork. Please work.
Okay. Yes, madam.
製作嘅真件愛有體力，你看眼見老學生嘅講法，其實都係挑難。桌子咧高上啊！哦啦啦，泰哥，我佩服得五體投地。你看你洗就像人飲啊！唔過你肚絲搖還做唔得示範，真件咁辛苦呢。
There's one story of the paper money we're making right now. It's like one of the inventor, Cai Lun, Mr. Cai. So he first invented the paper, but it wasn't looking so nice. So people thought, not so good, I'm not buying. So he asked his wife to pretend like she's dead. So she pretended. And then they fired the money like how we did it. And then after they fired the money, she came back. So people thought, this is gonna work.
Magic, we buy it.
Yes.
It's a very funny story. And I think he was a good businessman.
佢竹嘛嗬，煎好即係洗好即係嗬，就嗱你一會咗嗬，你剁啲竹嘛嗬，你剁竹嘛 ，OK， 等下，哦，那竹嘛嗬，差唔多就上寸了，應該
1寸半左右，1寸半左右。
It should be like 1.5 inch. So 按用去等一下。
等一下就拿到那邊去碾。
好。
我放到這邊來哈。
你應該是布滿嗎？
鋪上去，嘿，鋪上去。但今天量比較少啦。
哦。哎。那你就會試一下，試看。
Oh my god, it looks very difficult.
哦，看起來好像會很輕鬆嗎？阿爸，走。哎，而且。嘿。Race horse。那個看起來有一個角度是斜的。
對，因為這個好當完。哎呀，我弟站啊，我給我切哈。
轉的時候才有那個力。
才會轉彎。你平的話，它不能轉彎。
你有當牛的天分。
哎，什麼？這樣哈。好 ，I'm going。No one help me, please don't help me. 不要 help me， 不要。See how hardcore people had to work. Oh my. Sharon, you can do it. 你这个熊，我这边要粘到什么时候才粘到？
这个牛比較軟度，佢一隻雙輪差唔多有200-300公斤哦。會隻太下古代啊，拿來大的雙輪啊，你嗱。泰國呢是完全用牛來，牛呢是用個肥牛來，肥牛去下雜。下一頓嗬就下集，捏下睇嗬，用喺度誒。所以我創到講笑嗬，講啲自家和牛唔好做嗬。用我先講，啲自家和牛或者嗌煮以後， 喊来出门去那天，佢做探测器站咧喊做去来轮车，所以我是大家讲笑讲吼，那条牛啊，甲天动个淘汰的时个吼，就大家参想讲，哎呦，你南北无来了，只了无动艰苦吼，又会来杀骨，又会去干天吼，南北跳到只了无来是采购啊咁样啦。
爱看一下爱跳下个成绩，其实
大概要比这个还碎哦。
You do want to see？
这个还是刚开始的哈。
立马该我没有抹的你的更碎。
对，因为你没有当牛的天分。
你一跳下讲啊，有当牛的天分，然后
空转可以啊。
哦，好啦，俺会再努力一下。
最起码要像这样子哈。
最起码这是 OK，at least it has to be like this。你等一下又要做成什么啊？
还要看这个还不够细。
还不够。
还不够细，要再弄细一点哈。
哦。
假装很累。哎呀！
对了啊！
可恶！
对啊！
下一步诶。
等下大家6 G 哈，那个先拿6 G 哈。
6 G。
6 G 那个 G 你讲多好哈，G 6 G 来看哈。哎，跳人。
Daddy， 你嘛该会6 G 啊？
这个但是刚才哈跳人爱的 G 哈，那就从那安尼变到纸浆嘞，变成纸浆。
按用就到
这个纸
浆了。
因为这为我要去木料为好去打散。弄散开来。哦，这边就是三指槽。
嘿，哇！好，I'm joining him。有踩这个有技巧吗？应该没有吧？
没有技巧。
It's just fun。
来，个6 G 的些哈，上次为6条盆的些哈，可能是为下上档吼，啊你按艰苦开展的技，这个好父按6条盆，因为你脱开一种盆还一种，所以啊你6 G 的师傅哈，通亲系老师傅哈，个就加10年的经验能做得来。啊你6个 G 哈，差不多是来安尼，哈。那现在弹跳来记哈。
Do you want to feel it?
Yes.
嘿，我这样就把它弄。
没有关系，摸看。这个是他在做过。
David did. Oh my god.
Yeah, I thought the same. 这个做后一上就做得了，黑毛啊。按用这样。
就这样一张了。
晒干就是那个。
对，就是一张了。
So this one, and then you dry it out, and then it's the paper we saw that time.
Yeah.
Oh.
This paper with a gold stamp, right? Yeah.
不过两个做起来就会比较厚哎。
这粗纸本来就是这样，
所以没有关系，厚度就是
厚度没关，厚度只是说我们成本比较高一点而已。
哦，也是。然后现在要怎么办？哦，把它反过来。
把它反过来以后哈。
I should join the world。
一张纸啊。
哎呀。
为什么要放到这边来？用那个要去废杂的，水分哈。这边水分要把它压干。
You see, it's still a lot of water here.
Yeah.
那你们用老几用干啊
They press it together.
Yes, they should press it, but how?
他们会摆板子哈。
哦 I get it.
所以用杠杆原理把它水挤干了。
Maybe you should try it this time. 要用什么东西来压它？是人吗？
对，待会我们用杠杆原理方式把它哈，这边一个转轮，就用杠杆原理把它这样压下来哈。
哎 ，You see that one? We are all wrong.
Yeah.
They would use the stick here. Oh, wow. 像冲两个纸钱。在腿板的用量还是很大，对不对？
对，以前我们这边造的纸哈，是供应整个北台湾的。
整个北台湾到哪里为界限啊？
都是北部地区啊。
They said like this family, their paper business been offered like distributed to the whole northern Taiwan. So 这个是
it was very popular.
Yeah.
我们算是大众。
你们做的很大，对啊。
所以我们这边哈，整个窝里面都是在造，
周子给。 Look, this
好的
tool is very clever.
现在用这个转盘哈，用这个转盘把它往下拉，用杠杆给你看，很省力哈。
艾罗斯，哎，好，艾斯 ，I'll try. Yeah, now it looks like the paper we saw.
Yes, yes.
像就现在还没有很干哈。
现在不很干，等一下你用那个，你那个小张的。
来，等一下我可以体验一下。
好啊。
等一下我用那个小的那个来给你体验一下。
等一下，我哋可以做乜嘅？
做撈子啊！
Yeah, we get to try like taking it out of the water.
Yeah.
Yes, finally.
然后我们可以再因为这大的哈，大的比较那个的，我们还有个迷你型的。
哦。
来，我们
Come safe.
我们用这个来给你做一个体验。好。好，这个是用绢布做的哈，不要小张，你可以体验一下操作哈。那我拿。
嘿。
来给你。
好，按这些。
是。OK。好。
Okay, I see. Yeah.
那给亚汉给你们用的桌子给啊？
这个是为了准备给他们来参观的人哈，能够做一个操作上的体验。
Saladin. It's magic.
Yeah, it must be.
OK。
Now out.
Out. 哎呀。
不行了，那边。
What？做唔得了。
太厚了，这边厚，这
It's
边
too
薄。
thick. Oh, and it's not even. You see?
Okay.
One more time.
Okay.
It doesn't work last time.
No.
OK。
要怎么样？我用几张做的平均啊？
可以的，现在就差不多了。
Yeah, it's very meditative. You can have your meditation during this work. I think it's also very Asian kind for me of making the paper. It takes time. You have to be relaxed. You can't hurry. It doesn't work.
You wait for me,
Okay.
and we continue. Okay.
来，你看这样，这样。
哎。
没有认真听。
Yeah. 你嘛该迄俩味，唔迄俩味啊？
因为等下你要把它放下来的时候比较方便。
Okay.
But first make a storm.
Yeah.
住那里。
念咒语啊？
对啊。
好，那这太急了。
太急了。
OK。
等一下，我重来。
不要这样起的话要这样粘着。
好。
我跟你讲哈，要下去以后不要急，就直接这样。
OK。No rush, right?
好，插进去。
太少了。
太薄。
啊，再洗一次。
You see, it's not that easy.
Yeah.
好，接着进去，好，把水瓶 ，OK， 好，上来，可以了，
可以吗？
可以了，耶！出事了。
Cheers！
到这边来，我的。
冇简单呢，大师，你要做平，如果要做平的话，
OK。
Don't shake it.
你看棒冰大哥怎么做，你就跟着做哈。
好，OK，step by step 啊。
Yeah.
啊 ，flip。啊。
翻过来，意思我现在要把水分稍微挤干。
好。OK。
用压，不要推。
好 ，OK，don't do it like this, but just press it.
Just press.
不要这样推哈，这样推的话它直接会跑掉。OK。
Yeah. Oh, look. Stunning. His paper. See, his paper is very even. 哎，好。
好，
哇，
可以了。
哦，
那个不够，
来不及了，对不对
Can we
没用
keep it together? No.
没有用，
？No，
它粘不上去了。
哦
没关系，那已经没办法。
It won't work。
现在用压干，
还忙结束哦。
压干。
哎，one more steps。
那个一样哈。
Okay.
我是有小型模型的哈。
嗨。
小型的。
哎呀呀。
Ah, it's a small one.
Yes, it's miniature. Yep. nhìn成 T 摆做镜子，以前都会烧。
那为了它这个按轴距哈放平哈，啊你做只较细只的哈，那做门它这个样安尼啦。
Okay.
Like this.
刚刚再改先啦。
然后就改先，改这几条。
Yeah.
板子多一些，多几缸都没关系。
多几个？
因为这个压的怕它的厚度不够。
对。
哎呦。
It's interesting how you have to make one paper for such a long time and then you fire it, it's over.
Oh my god!
你看到没有？这个原理是刚才看我们大的差不多一样哈，我们把它缩小。
But then you have the connection to the god.
Yeah.
That's very important. So.
再拿一些东西，反正厚一点，随便一个。
I think like especially for Hakka people, like they're very into the wilderness.
那个框框都可以，框框都可以。
Their beliefs.
框框。
从古时候的人怎么可以想到要这样用啊？
所以我们老祖先聪明啊。
对呀，还会胸都一个洞，然后对上面2个洞。 This looks like you know when like
catapult.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna say. 看起来很像那种，就是那种以前人打仗，然后不是放那个炮弹，
弓针的哈。对，这样哈。对啊。但是他们是拿来打仗，我们是拿来
做文明。
他们拿来打仗，我们是给人家谋福利，不一样哈。嗯。
Now you try.
Okay.
Yeah.
可以了。
让他试，我让他试那个鸭子，调下几度某周都。
That's for me.
Yeah.
It should be not that. Ah, okay. First this.
Oh, you weren't watching.
Oh, hey, that's easy. I could work here. So how high is the salary?
水就流出来了。
Oh, I see the water dripping out.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So I'm a good worker, huh?
Yeah.
Here.
Good combination again. You see, I stirred it, and then you can make the. This is really firm right now. You see? Oh, 它现在压得很紧哎。
对啊。
哎呀。
I like to work with paper. Long time ago, I also made a lot of drawings on the paper, and I like work with the paper a lot. But I never saw the process, how a piece of paper will made. This time was my first time to see how paper become paper. And it's very hard work, and it's very long process. Now I think I don't waste paper anymore.
阿爸，
哎，阿弟啊，辛苦啦，吃下餐啊。
你仲係醫啊？
安子生。
哦，你仲係。
俩下矮俩个係矮親愛嘅一種字誒。Like this is my favorite paper from now. We have to frame this one.
嗱會不下幫你做經驗。
矮天會攞去做件 ，like I'll frame this one and then you know.
Oh yeah.
They stand out from all the bunch of papers.
I felt like at home. They served us a lot of food, and they served us a lot of tea and different kind of dessert. And it was so nice, and everybody laughed, and everybody tried to speak with you and tried to connect with you. In former Soviet Union, Georgia, they are very hospitable. So if you come to their home, they will give you also their bed. In Russia, it was also so, if you have a guest, you give everything the guest, everything he wants. That's why I said I feel like at home, because people try to give you everything, they try to make you happy. I saw now already many Hakka people. Now I understand that's one of characteristics of Hakka people.
阻止這件非講要非是鼓手唱太架唔好打送。 年轻的农村生活有乜嘅好搞好看的呢？比較以前，先對學生來看一下，伊個考嘅30年嘅簿，唔定人伊個講乜解好，捱對你去看啦。
So this is pretty scary. All these pictures and also including that place. It took the master 3.5 years to paint this. Oh, yeah. And this story is like for our culture, there are 18 layers of hell.
It's about the hell.
It's about the hell. How many layers do you have?
Only one.
Only one layer.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you do bad things, it depends on how bad the situation is. Like from the 1st to the 18th, you can imagine how cold it would be in the 18th, how terrible it would be. Look at this.
The bubbles.
So, am I pretty?
You're very pretty.
You have to cut your tongues now.
Oh my God.
No, you're lying because you lied, so you have to cut your tongue.
No, but I'm sure.
No,
I'm sure I'm not lying.
I'm joking. And also,
now I'm scared.
I know, this is really scary, you can see.
到底係萬年按有耐時，一筆一筆畫出按複雜嘅18層天用圖，唔知有學到學生啊麼？啲藝人嘅宗教信仰、生死輪迴、投胎轉世同因果循環嘅道理，大家都當相信。講好話，做好事，愛哦，還做冇乜嘅多啦。一下啲閻羅王面前，一下想到我當場做當當嘅壞事呢？上帝救救我！一下我咁多片片錯。
They look very fashionable. It's beer. Yeah. Oh, but this is only 10. They're 18. Ooh. And now I have to put this aside. But do you hear this?
Yes. What is it?
其實藝人倆下就是嚟到倆位主要嘅目的係帶我學生啊去體驗藝人客家太戲記錄藝人客家太戲很用嘅樣子。So you see that stage right outside.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you take photos later to see the theater.
Oh wow.
你们彩排结束了吗？
结束了。
通常啊，因迄讲要做客家太戏的时节，尤其迄种庙前，日天爱大八仙，平常是像做庙会的时节，太一家爱来拜拜，古时的办仙本神明，像我哋根本迄个算迄小文化场，古时我迄爱留神明。拜託講，我哋將而家重啲表演客家太戲。
先老幾地度，我哋
對，咁而講一下，我將而家重啲，本我哋睇自家表演平安順遂。
哦，嗰時候你哋倆下已經在準備嘅，好嗎？準備。那我們到後台去看一下，一探究竟都在黑馬嘅事情。
後台是很亂的哦。
後台是很亂。
對，一點也不整齊哦。
Yeah. So you see, like every time when I'm in front of a temple, I see this instead of that one. But this time we get to experience that one.
Yeah, sure.
And you get to take your photos.
Yes.
Let's take a look. 那我哋就去後背啊。
哦，咁樣推到去。 你莫气嫌莫政策哦。
回来，阿姨，那你可以示范。
他们现在在忙，这边在玩手机的在。
哦，they're busy. Maybe you can. 你要不要教下老矮的？
啊，我干嘛？
你就老矮的示范一下啊。
示范吗？
你来两位啦。
那边咯。
两位。你是演哪个角色啊？
我做阿丹的。
丹的哦。
In Europe, we have dragon queens. Male put makeup, women clothing, and then they perform. When we entered the backstage, he was playing some game, and then he transported to a beautiful woman. Yeah, but first I listened to his voice.
唱起做太子家有谈过平板。
平板。
嘿，做演艺做客家戏有平板啊、三国志啊，还有个。落散步啊，大部分大家要创这个抓着
平板的，
你喺外头演咧客家三太跳，
三太跳。
洋装的马走啊，出门了呀。
He has a very soft, very nice voice, and it's not matter in reality if you understand it or not. You hear these very feminine vibes, and you can feel what he feels. Or actually, he plays a woman.
做外地的时间，客家台戏最早以前喺三脚菜场，因为迎合观众的需求。古所长要将三脚菜茶一直延伸到了下个客家台戏，因三脚菜茶迄位来的，就应该菜茶戏，头摆给人喝茶的时间，男女对唱，这样。
望归呀归呀。
你看过你唱歌的时间，然后你跳下功法的时间是两个完全用给你的。
无用，因为细汉囡仔要做阿丹人，计送伊要结一下，送会好看。若无结就厝要送伊，就像计小成强。
Right.
That's very, very beautiful voice.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
你喺几岁的时间开始后期这是你们当家花旦吗？
他在旁边。
你怎么把那风采抢走了呢
？More surprises. 因为他很。
所以他们今天挂病号，所以不适合。
She's mad. No, she's playing the She's the leading. I said, how could you take away her glory, right? 好了，我要给你，那你就
给小巴掌就好了。
等一下再看你表演。
Where did they learn to make such a nice makeup?
你从一度你们的那个化妆是从哪里学来的？
佢以前喺讲看人帮研究穷用法，啊，了下是因为有研究啦，有研究啦。
那我可以试试看吗？可以吗？你可以帮我画吗？
唔要諗唔幫我做。
You either go big or go home。平常要化妝嘅牙，兩塊玩太大了啦。希望大家做好心理準備哦。In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1。
走，跳下，我哋攞佢條胸下老了，然後佢又迄個按落嘅胸，但他終於就是佢條會開始表演。It's showtime, right? Yeah. I can't wait for what else, like what is gonna happen. This is so. I'm looking forward. Yeah. And where's your outfit? And I will actually. I have an appointment later. I'll see you later, huh? Okay.
I was very surprised how great and how funny and how patient people were in this opera.
年年绣花红，当朝铁树开，三仙斜下降，福禄寿仙来。
And every makeup style was different. You could see who is very kind, who is very male. The woman who played the role of rich man's wife, she performed very well. She had a lot of mimic in her face and her eyebrows worked a lot. I felt big energy coming out of her. So I came very close to her because I wanted to photograph her face. And also the movements were very, very interesting. The brother, he had very special manner to put his foot so high. He was also very elegant. If I would be a man who could be in love with a man, I would fall immediately in love with him because he looked very feminine on one side, but he was a male, very sexy. There was a man, he was working with the background. He did nothing else, only changed the backgrounds. And he was so quick. He was like the worm has to become a butterfly. He just rolled inside and then rolled outside. I laughed a lot about this. If you go to the theater, you just watch a show. But this time I was a part of the show because I could connect to the people, I could speak with them, I could learn something. It was a very special experience.
今晡日來到苗栗兩個西沙區，你還記得冇？昨晡日我哋看客家台戲，今晡日我要帶你來看哪個一種？聽講啊，表演嘅人家家起來有幾下千歲呢！阿英，
嗨
，Hello，你啲嘅做乜嘅？
酸甜水，
你睇唔嘅甜水哦？
嘿，啲用嘅人講裝絲啊，攞去燒體嚟咩？以前嘅人係用安尼用盆嘅安尼，這樣子。
係啊，以前嘅人動辛苦，還能按
對，
有一天到晚腰酸背痛。
一次可以插5支。
For this area, they do it like 2 times in a year, and in August there will be another transplant. So 2 harvests in 1 year. 阿姨，其實我來了位啊，我係有聽講，就是那個布馬村，布馬村係當有名嘅。
我就係我一家生嘅布馬村，我就有參加。
Oh, you know, like because we come here for the. I told you yesterday, like we're gonna join a parade.
Yes.
On the ground. She's one of the members. 那我哋就去哦。
好，嚟。等你看有名嘅布馬村。
哦。大家安坐。So many old grandmas here. Oh yeah. 你就已經準備好嘅哦。
布馬村。
你係叫布馬村 ？This is the thing I told you yesterday about.
好。
我們在前面。嗨，總幹事你好。
嗨，阿姐，嗨，你好，你好。这个动作就代表要怎么样？要起航。
That one is like hailing for everybody, so everyone will come and when townspeople would come join.
Yeah.
接下来呢，哈，就是
锣鼓吹。
这就我们的鼓队。 做嘛按照千岁铺马针呢？因为伊条阿公阿婆啊，加起来啊，就差不多1000个人死。也有创业，有状元，叫他状元哈，那边哈。
创业。
系创业，拿嗰边哈。
状元喺哪一间年啊？
一隻兩 V。兩 V。一隻係文狀元，文的，一係武嘅，武的就是拿寶劍。鋪馬針哈，做嘛我開始傾起啦，就今日就嘅條婆婆媽媽就講，喺狀況歡迎家哈，除了多健康做些以外呢，也希望大家來做一個嘅係有意義嘅活動，啊，就來虔誠一個鋪馬針。啊，鋪馬針傾起來需要當多年啲，啊，主要婆婆媽媽嚟到來，啊，佢希望講20條做虔誠，按不條呢？可以向下來做掉鋪馬針嘅遊戲，大家來聚集在一起哈，當然向下療養誒，所以就按企起來誒。
阿勇，嗨！哦，老弟是背着對不對？來呀！
對，你要抓。
還要抓這個，
要筆數這邊，筆數抓這邊。
Be careful, that's a wild horse.
騎馬舞，騎馬舞。
對啦，這樣就對了。
哎，這個原來
老鼠又知道會好像太，
這個要怎麼跌？那個跌倒怎麼
跌倒跪下，
不一樣，
不一樣，
要跪下來，
要3跪下來，對。那個是哦，你要這樣搖來搖去，
要怎麼跪啊？
對，他們會表演，
很厲啊，
動跳，要動跳啊。
真嘅動跳。
來，又係做埋到阿公阿婆。
那個係你確定那個係阿公嗎？I thought you were a cowboy.
Yes, really like a cowboy.
有像嗎？
有啊，
那
你
帥嗎？
那條下老到你講阿公係，就是你那種阿公。It's not a grandpa, it's like handsome grandpa.
My favorite one was a woman with very strange object and something like shell.
蚌殼即係蝦呢，太蝦呢。蚌殼。
This is like a sea creature, you know. It has like clam or something.
I know.
這個就是它的蚌殼的肉，生出來這個肉。
This is the flesh.
She had very small feet and very pretty shoes like Cinderella.
蚌殼精哈，以前傳說講，它化身成人哈，然後跟很多個隊伍敵對向他搞，哈，就講，他的角色重要是那個群眾互動，會夾嘅群眾。爽呢？爽。
那故事裡面，哎呦，還有人那個唱歌，
划船的，
還有划船的。
You wanna take a look at her？ 那兩個故事
黑嘛，因為要總體方，它是靠近漁村，跟漁夫有冇哈？佢裝船，裝也沒有，那啥佢咩？那個總方有蒼蠅出來，也就是給它甩了出來，就是等於漁村的這個船也上來，漁夫也來跟着來走。
哎呀，就這樣子，
就愛了啊！
蒼蠅都甩了，都跟甩了都海浪當，哎呀，這樣浮沉，在海浪裡面游走感。很船哈，佢因為裝條氣都係唔狀況咧。所以嘅試船咧嘅漁夫啊，可能牙沙期牙狀況要出嘅蒼蠅咧，而家試定船咧出來，嚇，所以我哋用嘅漢船代表嘅漁夫意思，啊，叫做同嘅慶祝嘅電腦業嘅行列。好。
This is a very traditional way of like they carry things to the market to sell or something.
Very beautiful.
有角色哈，作為賣花那個賣花的女，賣花女，賣花的。
阿公，那個你個老貝嫂哦。
對，有老貝嫂。
Ask him how he can carry it.
Is she very heavy?
Oh my God, who's real? Who's real?
你轉半太敢看，你看。阿爸嘅屁股。
還沒跳的。
到底哪一個是你的屁股？我看一下。啊，
裡面是我的褲子。
啊。
Lovely feet to look at.
Oh, you see, this is so tiny. This is how women used to have their really small feet. 三寸金蓮。
They had feet.
They had to fold it like that and then.
你要表演？
表演啦。那你表演？
哎呀，來喲！
哎呦，青散飯呢？I said like we have this saying when we say your 散飯。哦。
Yeah.
阿嘅老貝嫂呢，就是阿公跟阿婆講，佢看到嘢當成飼料，後尾就停人來看，嘅老貝嫂看， 莊嚴係咁樣嘅情況。
The woman who played this character, she enjoyed it a lot. She enjoyed it. And this doll, he looked so suffering. I felt really pity for him.
身高哈。
When I travel, I see old people very often. Sometimes they look not very happy. But today I saw very different picture. I saw so many happy old people. They had so much fun with them, what they did. They probably feel like children. I could imagine that it's a lot of fun.
我们布马镇哈一出来看哈，那个锣鼓吹，锣鼓吹就是锣鼓队，其中有个长号，鼓诶、拔、挠哈、锣诶，就弦行。 当长号一起响，一轰一响噶哈，代表我哋整条恶行诶。
走咯。
嗰個後背呢，就係往就個馬桶，我騎馬啊，嗰個就倉野，倉野順方呢有梁山文武將軍，嗰一隻騎梁山呢，就留嘅莊嚴大梁啊，嚇，嗰後背呢就係有個公卑婆。 啊，过有个汉船，过太汉呢，哈，过就一些我们那些的蚌壳的哈，就填的一个游街，叫做俺的队伍的队形，嘿。
When the horse arrives, you will have success. This is 拿到成功。Wow! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Good job! 安之谁？安之谁？
I felt like in Rio de Janeiro. I told Sharon, hey, that's pity we don't have the costumes. Yeah, I felt very happy.
So this is the end of your journey in Taiwan, Hakka Town.
Oh my God. I hope that the beginning of my photo story.
Yes, this is, we did what? We saw so many photographers.
Yeah.
Your colleagues and also this rice field and made the paper and also see these very vibrant people, right?
Theaters, everything was great.
It was beautiful.
Landscape.
With you as well, very beautiful this journey.
Well. Oh, thank you for everything.
Thank you too. Well, we say goodbye, but then we'll say our prayer first, and then I hope you can have a safe flight.
Yes. Okay. First of all, I feel very happy. It was a special journey. I saw many interesting things I never saw before. I met so many great people. I discovered so many interesting things.